that cause coughing seldom exist in a clean room environment. Using a ladle, put the tea in a cup. Repeat it at least 10 times. We all cough. Coughing is actually natural and necessary because it shows that your body normally reacts to foreign irritants by clearing the airway. But a persistent nagging cough is really distressing and worrisome, especially in times of new infectious diseases. No matter what causes coughing, be it the common cold or asthma or sinus infection or etc. And no matter what types of coughs you have, be it wet or dry, continued coughing causes your throat to become dry and sore, and a sore, dry throat also causes coughing like a vicious cycle. So, you should prevent persistent coughing as much as possible. But how? Tip 1. Things to do usually. Clean your room frequently. Microbes and dust that cause coughing seldom exist in a clean room environment. Drink a lot of warm water. It'll keep your throat moist and stop your cough. Tip 2. Homemade syrup. This syrup is made with radish, pear, and honey that you can get anywhere in local markets. Syrups with radish and honey or pear and honey are also possible. White-colored vegetable and fruit like radish and pear boost the lung function. Honey is famous for a good cough suppressant, but don't give honey to babies under 12 months of age. Instead of honey, you can use any kind of syrup. Cut the radish and pear into strips. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey. Lock the container with the lid and wait. In 30 minutes, the juice comes out. Whenever you feel like coughing, take it like a cough syrup. Tip 3. Ginger lemon tea. Ginger helps soothe the irritated throat and airways. Lemon helps reduce inflammation and boost immunity. Slice a thumb-sized piece of ginger. Put 1.5 milk cups of water in the pot. Put in the sliced ginger and boil the water over high heat. When it begins to boil with bubbles, turn it down to medium heat and let it boil for about 15 minutes. So the ginger tea is ready. Using a ladle, put the tea in a cup. You can also pour it using a fine sieve. Add 1 or 2 teaspoons of honey or any sweetener for your choice. Squeeze a half lemon over the cup, mix the tea, and drink. A very good home remedy for cough. Tip 4. Gum or candy. Suck on a candy. Don't bite down on it. Or chew a gum. They help make a lot of saliva in your mouth constantly. But be careful. Added sugar can lead to tooth decay and obesity. Tip 5. Wet towels in the room. Although too much humidity can be bad for you and it can trigger coughing, proper humidity helps relieve a dry, sore throat and stop coughing. Hang wet towels around the room, on every available spot to keep the air humid. Tip 6. Moist warm compress. Soak a towel in a large bowl with water that feels not too scalding to the touch. Wring out the excess water. Put the towel around your neck. Do it until the towel cools. Tip 7. Steam inhalation. When taking a hot shower, you find out you don't cough anymore. That means steam helps stop coughing. Put enough water in the pot and bring it to a boil over high heat. Pour the hot water into a big bowl. Don't fill up the bowl, otherwise you may get burned from the scalding water. Prepare a big bathroom towel. Put the towel over your head, lean over the bowl, and cover your upper body and the bowl completely so that the steam is trapped in. Inhale the steam at least for 1 minute. Then raise your upper body, put down the towel to take a pause for a few seconds. Then again, bend forward over the bowl, put the towel over your head, and breathe through your nose and mouth at least for 1 minute. Then take a pause for a short time. Repeat it at least 10 times. The steam moisturizes the dry, irritated throat and makes it comfortable. Tip 8. Face mask. Wear a mask of any kind. A plain cotton face mask will also do. Due to your breathing, you can maintain moist air inside a mask. That is, the mask functions as a personal humidifier. Keep wearing a mask as much as you can until your symptoms are reduced. If your cough keeps going for all those tips, you should contact your doctor or health center because it means you have other health issues. Hopefully the tips in the video help stop your cough quickly.